this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone a moderator on your Discord server. So the first thing we need to do is just click on your server from the left-hand navigation. Once you're inside of your server, you need to click on the server name and then click on server settings. From the left-hand navigation, go and click on roles. You can then press create role, and now we need to give our role a name. So I'd recommend calling this something like mod or moderator. You can then scroll down to the role color and select a color for this specific role. Scroll down again to display role members separately and make sure this is turned on, and this is going to make it easier to identify moderators in your server. You can then press permissions in the top navigation. You can then go and select the permissions that you want this moderator to have on your server. Now this really just comes down to personal preference. I actually like to leave most of these turned on. The only one we want to leave unchecked is this one at the bottom, administrator, and this is the main difference between an admin and a moderator role. So once you've set your permissions, just press save changes, and then you can come back over to your server. Now in order to assign someone the moderator role, you can just go and right click on their username. You can then select roles and then select moderator from the list. As you can see, their display name will now change color to that particular role, and it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.